Hello friends, my name's James. And this is my 1965 Alberg 30 sloop SV Tritea. I have been slowly sailing solo around the world since leaving Los Angeles in 2021. This is Rhonda, a Kiwi sailor who joined me full-time once I reached Sydney. Join us while we explore Indonesia, see the struggles and the magic that come with sailing in Southeast Asia. From the Spice Islands, to the stilt villages, to Komodo, and beyond. This is Indonesia. After about a week in the Kai Islands, it was time to move on. We set sail for the Spice Islands, an area I was very excited to visit after reading about its rich history for a long time. We had a fantastic passage of 180 nautical miles, which took us 48 hours of easy sailing. What's our depth?
127.
Are we in the blue?
We're in the blue, yeah. We're gonna almost get to the green.
What's our depth?
89, 86, 85.
Just pause and let it coast for a while.
Yeah,
You're in neutral?
yeah.
I mean, I can see the shallow right there. Hello from Banda, the Spice Islands. You see that fad, right?
Yeah.
So we tried to anchor at this one spot that's noted as an anchorage. And classic Indonesian style, it was like 50 feet deep and like still too close to shore. So we're gonna go to the other one, the main one that people anchor at here, which is right off of this resort. You basically drop your hook in pretty deep water and then you shore tie to trees on shore right in front of this resort. That's the common place to anchor over here because everything's super deep. It's like 300 feet deep where we are right now, and that's how close we are to the shore. So we got up in this little cove, wind protection. I got the dinghy in the water, outboard on, so we're ready to run the shoreline. Now we have a shoreline that's 100 meters that we used in New Zealand for Marlborough Sounds, which should be more than enough for what we need today. We're super stoked to be here. Very easy passage, and can't wait to get tied up and see the new spot. slowly.
Ready?
No.
well, that was a mission.
Oh, you did a good job.
Reverse helps. In a boat that reverses.
Huh? I'm not sure if the GoPro recorded any of that madness, but let me tell you, went good though.
Yeah.
No snafus, we didn't have to do anything over.
No.
Just took a minute.
It's just daunting.
Yeah. These there's two gentlemen on this carbon credit, which is like a trimaran. They helped us get it, the line ashore and everything. Whoo-wee, that took a lot of work. How'd you feel about it?
It's okay.
How'd you really feel about it?
It was alright. No, I think it went well. It was just daunting. I think it's more daunting when you're far away coming to it rather than when you're up on it, to be honest. I feel like once we were up on it, it was like, oh yeah, this is okay.
Yeah.
But when you know that that's what you got to do and you're looking through the binoculars at all the chaos that's tied up here already, that you've got to come and find a spot in, then it's kind of like, holy shit, this is sketchy.
I would have been real spooked if I hadn't come over in the dinghy and saw how deep it is. It's like mega deep right up to the steps.
It's
like
insane.
Mega deep. Like we could tie up within, I don't know, 10 feet of the shore
An arm's
and not
length.
hit. Yeah. So that made me feel better, kind of eyeballing it in the dinghy first. A nice gentleman from the hotel is the one that told me we could anchor over here. Med-moor style, which is not fun on a full kill boat because full kill boats don't back up in a straight line. But Rhonda did a great job just giving it a little bit of reverse as I tried to maneuver it with the dinghy. We had the wind against us, which was the real issue.
There's probably a current coming through here too.
Yeah, so there was a little bit of elements fighting us, but we did a good job. And now we're just gonna kind of get it sorted, finalized.
Dial it in.
And I'll show you what it looks like.
Hello from Banda. So we are about to head ashore and meet up with Mr. Man, who is taking us back to his place where we will meet his wife and family and participate in a cooking class, which will be really interesting. It's using the spices that are found on the island and traditional cooking, like recipes, I suppose. I have no idea what we are going to be cooking or anything, but we are going to take you along for the ride. He's happy to film us and film what we're up to, so that's all cool. So yeah, we'll show you what it's all about. You'll find out as we will along the way. Alright.
All in the hotel.
Hello. What happened? Did you lose your hat?
I did, I lost my hat.
I saw you guys had to turn back.
I know. Hello.
Halo. Nama saya Bada.
Bada. Saya Bada.
Ya.
Rhonda.
Anda?
Rhonda.
Ya.
Sekarang. Just students come here, I'm a teacher also, sorry.
Oh, you're a teacher?
So,
What are you teaching?
English also.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, please come to kitchen. And this is the spices.
Oh, wow, okay.
Only to make only natural spices. This is the galanga.
Oh, this is their name?
Yeah. It's galanga
that.
and this the garlic and this red onion and the salt. And this is eggplant and the turmeric. And this is you know, it's
tamarind.
tamarind and bay leaf. Yeah, and this the middle cinnamon. Yeah.
How do you say that?
Yeah, cinnamon is the, you know, it's the kayu manis.
manis.
Kayu manis. This cinnamon, yeah. And this the bay leaf. And this is the tamarind. And this one also is the pandan leaf.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pandan leaf, daun nasi. And this galanga.
Wow.
Yeah.
Itu barang bagus, taruh yang
And then
basah.
coconut oil, yeah, the other is the clove, chili, and the soy sauce, yes, soy, and there's the lemongrass, and this is the nutmeg, and this is the coconut oil, maybe later, yeah, and this tomato,
Supaya dia
lemon
orang
leaf,
tahu ini
and the
barang
rice.
yang basah.
Nice.
Bilang ini, kali ya.
Yeah, this is the galanga, this is the ginger.
What is that? Kalanga. Yeah, ginger.
It's
So
galanga.
is it same as like a...
It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Same
just-
but different?
Looks very
It
similar.
looks very similar.
Yeah,
Does it smell? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Just quite
it's a
mild.
good for medicine
Really?
also.
Mm.
One lemon. Yeah.
So in its rawest form. It's really interesting cooking with things like nutmeg or cloves or cinnamon even. For me, I always relate it to something sweet, not savoury, you know, not like fish. And things like I would never think to cook fish in cinnamon or cloves or anything like that. It would be always something sweet, like a cake or, you know?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
Di mana pakirim-parim ko dia mah aneh. Pakirim-parim ko dia mah.
Wow.
Tapi this kan.
That flavour is incredible, that rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cooked with that lemongrass and that. I don't want to say leftovers, it's like takeout.
Take that. No doubt. What all did you take?
We took some yellow rice and the tuna and the almond sauce as well.
Delicious.
Yeah, amazing.
How did you feel about the class?
The what, sorry?
How did you like the class?
Great. So great. Yep. Incredible. It's really interesting, like, you know, take like really basic things and how powerful the flavors can be. And yeah.
And cooking with them in a different way, you said.
100%. It answers like a ton of my questions I had about the markets today in terms of what's available and what you use, what's available to create.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Stoked.
Super awesome.
Thank you.
Honda and Jem, this is for you.
Thank you.
So this is my buddy, Mr. Man.
Hello.
You've been tour for 25 years, tour guide,
Yeah,
and you're taking us to the spice tour tomorrow.
spice to tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good spices tour tomorrow, and we go tomorrow by boat to Banda
Mm-hmm.
And it's very nice island. Banda is bigger than another island. It's a many plantation and a many history building by the Dutch. And before we go to this spices tour tomorrow, I want to give some general information about you. I have the Banda map, and I want to explain to you how many people stay in here. What can I do to people like to. I think maybe tomorrow is a very interesting. You can see many things. It's a very nice almond, cinnamon, and clove, And then the Fort Hollandia by the Dutch also, the many history there.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you. And I hope so maybe you can find the other tourists who can to tell to me, the tour guide in Banda. And it's my wife is the cooking class also.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the cooking class.
Thank you.
Very grateful.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Awesome. Yeah, so we're stoked about this tour tomorrow as well. So Mr. Man's gonna take us around the plantation. We're gonna get to pick nutmeg and almond and see the whole process. Very excited. Hear about the history and hear more chickens. We're here now. And so yeah, can't wait to show you that as well. Hello. I was reading that the bricks are made of coral.
Are they?
Yeah,
That's interesting.
that's what the whole fort's made out of, coral.
Are they?
If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.